Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to see about how to clean the speaker in your smartphone. Let's go. First go to the setting and next click the additional setting option and next click the clear speaker option. Clear speaker. Play a 30-second audio to clear the speaker. About this feature, run this feature once or twice if you find that your speaker is slightly blocked by dust. If the speaker is blocked heavily, run this feature 2 or 5 times while shaking your device with the speaker facing downward. So I am going to try. So that's it for today's videos. I think it will help you to clear your speaker in your smartphone. So have a nice day. Thank you for watching.